Microsoft Outlook won't open in Windows 10. Now, if the Microsoft Outlook app is not opening up on Windows 10 or whether it is Windows 11, there are a couple of ways to actually fix it. First of all, we can try to uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Outlook app. Go to your search bar and just search for Outlook. Once you find it, just right click on it and then you'll find the uninstall button. It'll ask you for a confirmation, so you can click the uninstall button to uninstall it. After you've done that, open up your Microsoft Store, and once you open your Microsoft Store in the search bar, you could go ahead and then now search for the Outlook application, and then now you can try to re-download it or reinstall it, and then after that you should be able to open the Microsoft Outlook application. If that doesn't help either, you can try to restart your computer, but before that I would recommend that you simply check for your Windows update. So open settings, go to your Windows update section. If you have even a bit of the Windows update available, make sure to update it and see if that hopefully helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.